In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for a specific photo using Lightroom AI, and the best part is that you do not need to manually tag everything first. Lightroom's AI can recognize objects and even people in your photos, which makes finding the exact image you need much faster. If you work with a lot of photos, this feature can save you a huge amount of time. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tips. Let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Lightroom and make sure your photo library has finished syncing or loading properly. This feature works best when Lightroom has had enough time to analyze your images. Once your library is open, look for the Search option. You'll usually find it with the magnifying glass icon. Click on that to open Lightroom's AI search tool. Now here's where it gets powerful. In the search bar, type a simple keyword that describes what you want to find. For example, you can type car, person, dog, or sunset. Lightroom will automatically scan your photos and bring up matches based on what it detects inside the image. You do not have to create tags manually for every photo because the AI is designed to recognize content on its own. If you type person, Lightroom can surface portraits or group shots. If you type dog, it can find images with dogs in them. If you type sunset, it can locate photos where the AI detects that scene or lighting. The key here is to keep your keywords simple and specific. Short search terms usually work best because Lightroom AI is looking for objects, subjects, and visual elements rather than long sentences. If you want to narrow the results even more, try combining different searches or testing slightly different keywords until you find the exact photo you need. For example, if car gives too many results, you can try red car or change the way you search based on the type of image you remember. This is especially useful when you have hundreds or thousands of photos in your catalog and you do not want to scroll endlessly. Once the results appear, you can click the photo you need and continue editing, exporting, or organizing it as normal. So the whole process is really simple. Open Lightroom, go to Search, type a keyword, and let AI do the work for you. It's one of the fastest ways to find specific photos without tagging everything manually. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next Lightroom tutorial for more time-saving editing tips.